Yo, what is that? Royal Kennels on TikTok. Man, y'all better make sure y'all follow that thing. It's going down, baby. What's happening, everybody, and welcome to the Royal Kennels YouTube channel. In this video, we have a crazy announcement about Hennessy, and I guarantee you don't want to miss it. But first, what are you waiting on? Go subscribe right now! And this is Royal Kennels, and I approve that message. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and make sure you click that little bell and set it for all notifications so you can remain updated with all our uploads. Y'all say hi to Miss B, y'all.
Miss B.
Miss B from
Miss B
Royal Kennels, New Jersey is in the house. Stuff in her face on some pecan candy.
Louisiana style, you heard me?
We got her. So look, y'all, she just dropped off the litter between Hurcules and Sapphire. And while she's here, she's gonna be picking up Hennessy. Yoko and Hennessy playing in the yard. Yoko, leave Hennessy alone. Yoko! Yoko! Look at him, y'all. That dude's something, yeah. No fear, y'all. No fear. Yoko! Yoko! Look at him. Hennessy. Little wild self.
Oh my God, dulce de leche. It tastes like dulce, it's Spanish.
Alright, so y'all, we're gonna go in the kennel and see the puppies. Hey, Victoria. Hey, Widow Man. And there are the puppies. Oh, y'all, the puppies are here. The puppies are here. Oh, yeah, baby. Hennessy, calm your little crazy self down. You ain't going in there, girl. You're not going in there. Y'all, I think Oreo might have took, y'all. I really think Oreo might have took. That's our senior dogs, y'all. Senior dogs. This is the senior citizen area. Goodbye to Hennessy, guys. Hennessy. Goodbye to Hennessy.
No, sir. No.
Yoko.
And he's spoiled.
Turn to me and Miss B.
You can tell he's spoiled.
So y'all, this is Miss B. This is the major face behind Royal Kennels, New Jersey. I just want to give her a shout out. You know, they say give people their roses while they're alive.
Yeah.
So I want to, while she's here, I want to recognize her and tell her she's doing an awesome job up in Royal Kennels, New Jersey. She's doing phenomenal. They just dropped, she drove all the way, almost 2 days straight to make sure the puppies got here. They encountered bad weather. They had to get off the road. But they made sure the babies were safe and got here at 3-something this morning. Just want to tell you, thank you, Miss B. Y'all doing a good job. Keep up the good work.
Yep.
Keep up the
And
good work.
where's her shirt?
Oh, this is her shirt.
I got
Oh, you
she
got
put it up
it.
already.
Oh, she done put them up already.
But we also just gave them, you know, they are our team, so we just gave her some team shirts to go back to New Jersey with. They deserve it. She has been putting in a lot of hard work, and she has proven herself. You know, to be part of the Royal Kennels team, you have to prove yourself, and you have to be Royal Kennels to the bone gristle, and they have proven to be that, and we appreciate them. You know, she should. She done calmed herself down now.
All right, let's go.
Oh yeah, she dragging me.
You dragging it?
Mm-hmm. Come on. That's thick. So, you know, where they taking my woman?
Where they taking my woman? See, that's who you sleep with.
That's who he sleeps with.
You're putting her in the kennel, or you just letting her walk in the back?
In the back.
Okay.
You fine?
All right, Hennessy. Hey, you be good out there.
Hey, you be good, okay? You be good.
Make us proud. And bring back some babies.
Look at her. Look at her. Look.
Come on, baby. You ready? There you go. Up a squat.
All right, y'all. They are off.
Stay back.
They got to jump on their bikes to show them that they can ride bikes.
Bye, y'all.
Sissy, why did you break my ninja